Hey guys, Shane here with TrueStim BC again. Today we're going to show you how to use your TrueStim device to treat knee pain and knee injuries. This is a 2-receiver type of job, so what you're going to want to do is take both receivers that come in your TrueStim Pro kit. You're going to take 4 sticky pads. You want to spray them before and after with the conductor spray that comes with your kit. Once you've done that, you take channel 1, turn it on, and you're going to put one pad on the inside of your knee or on your shin, and then put the other pad crossing to the other quadrant of your knee, and then take your second receiver, turn it on, put it on the outside of your shin, crossing over to the other quadrant on the inside of your leg on your medialis muscle. Once you have the pads in place properly, turn your device on. It'll automatically default to channel 1, which is going to start with this one crisscrosses here. Select one of the many multiple modes that the device has that you like best, increase the intensity, and then switch to channel 2 and do the same. Channel 2 will connect these two together. Together, the 2 channels are going to create a crisscross current through your knee. It's going to engulf your entire knee. This opens up the pathways so the circulation is increased and reduces the natural recovery time. Remember guys, with TrueStim, it's all about treat, recover, and prevent.